What's up, guys? West Coast Picks here, and today I have this Avis Rock 8380 padlock that I got in a trade from Gordon from the forums. If you know, if you're on the forums, you know who Gordon is. I traded him that massive multi-lock for a massive Avis. He's a big multi-lock fan. He wanted one of those giant discontinued massive shackled multi-locks more than I did, and I wanted this more than he did, so straight up trade. He threw in an extra cool little vintage Avis that you'll see on a later video of me picking that, but this video is for the 8380, the Rock, this big bastard of a lock. Let's see what it takes to get into it first. False set off 1. Like a click out of 2. I can't tell if these are spools or if it's just a floppy core, but they feel like spools, like very short, sharp spools. Wouldn't surprise me if spools are an Avis thing. Oh no, I think I just lost it. Unless I can rake out of that or something. See if I can get that full set back, because I think I pushed that last one up too far. There we go, she's open. So there are spools. I had a slight overset scenario for a minute there, but that's alright. Oh, it's all in the excitement to get this big bastard open. I was quite the pick on that little. Oh, it's a 300. That's why these actual Avis core. These actual Avis cores have really nice tolerances. They're built really nice. So I don't feel so bad that it took me a couple minutes to get into that. Jeez. Yeah, it is. I like these cores too. You can put a Z-bar in it. It can be key retaining. Doesn't have the inspection window though. That's cool, or weird, or different. I like that. I like it. I think it's cool because it's different. That's why. One thing I noticed is there's only 5 holes in the bottom, and I hope that doesn't mean that there's only 5 pins, like capability in the lock. I hope. Let's get that C-clip off. Because I've seen many of these, I've had them apart before, and they're all 6-pin. So but then again, this is the first one I've seen without the inspection window, so guess we're on a journey together here, guys. This works on all the normal ones, so I am tempting fate here and hope I don't brick this core. There we go. And it's only 5-pin, and that's it. Maximum 5-pin. That's a little disappointing. but I have other plugs out of other locks that are 6-pin that will drop right in there, which I'll probably do. Take the core out of a lesser 83 series lock and put it in here. All standards, and this is where the magic is. I'm thinking spool, standard in one, spools in the rest, but let's find out. I thought I might have felt clicks in there too, so maybe serrated spools, but so looks like a serration. Yeah, a serration on one. Oh yeah, definitely spool on two. Yeah, spool on 3, spool on 4, and probably a spool on 5 as well. Yes, spool on 5 as well. They're not serrated spools, but they are spools nonetheless. And there is a serration on pin 1, and that's probably the one I was feeling. At least I'm going to claim it's the one I was feeling, and since it's actually there, you can't say it wasn't. Well, I guess you can, but I don't care anyway. Alright guys, this is what was in there. And just for, come on, focus. There we go. Oh, you could barely make out the serration there on pin 1, but it's on the bottom. But just for shits and giggles, I'm going to grab a couple other locks here. Alright, so just to bring a couple other locks into the picture to show you how big this thing really is. And probably take the core out of this one of these 80. I got a couple of these 83 53s, so I'll probably take the core out of one of these and put it in here as a 6-pin. But here's a 8355 rock, which is also a very big padlock. Look at that difference. Look at this size difference. That is insane. Alright guys, I'm going to get this lock back together with a better core in it. Have a good one. Don't break any laws.